Hello, juniors. I'm glad to have you guys back in class and hope you're ready for this semester. We've got a lot of new faculty and it'll be a great semester for us. We have worked really hard to make the three courses that you're in, Nursing 325, Nursing 400, and Nursing 405, congeal, to work together, to be very similar. So I hope you'll find that beneficial to you. So we've tried to align our topics so that they're building on each other. Same grading scale as always. We all three have the same point system, so exams are going to be worth 65%. Participation with pre-class assignments and in-class participation is going to be worth 15, and then that HESI is worth 20. You do not have to do the remediation for your HESI, but I would encourage it, and we'll go over this in class. But if you score over 900 on that first version, you're not required to take the second version. I do want to point out this student expectations about being prepared for class, because one of the things that came up in the student rep meeting was the need to dive deeper into our topics to better prepare you for practice. So in order to do that, you have to come to class having read the material. So we have to have that foundational knowledge. So that's why we're kind of teaching it in a way that's assuming that you've done your homework, which means usually read your textbook and other things as assigned. So I'm going to show you that real quick. We have a very similar looking course map for Nursing 325, 400, and 405. Again, trying to align those topics so that they're similar, and I'll go over all of these things in class on Monday. But for those of you that want to get started, we're going to be in chapter 25 on Monday. So let me show you one more thing. In the let's see, where am I? Sorry. In the course documents, we have our syllabus, course map, and then this last thing here is weekly prep sheets. I will have the weekly prep sheets for the next week open on Friday. So like this Friday, week 2 prep sheets will be out there, and that's going to help you know how to prepare for class the next week. So for this week, I know nobody will probably get this done because it's just becoming available on Sunday. Chapter 25, reading chapter 25, which is really a review of that structure and function of the cardiovascular system. So you've had anatomy and physiology, and you had nursing 300. So this shouldn't be a tough chapter for you. There is a link here to Easy Anatomy of the Heart, which is a nice 10-minute video just to kind of refresh your mind. And then I'd like you to go ahead and do the Anatomy and Physiology of the Cardiovascular System Evolve lesson. Again, I understand if you don't get to it for this week, but moving forward, I'll have those things up here for you to complete before class, because that's going to help us once we get into class get started and not me stand up there and read from your textbook for an hour and a half. So again, I'll have those available every Friday. If you have any questions, feel free to holler. You guys know me pretty well that I don't usually get on the computer on Sundays, and since Monday's our start, I'm trying to give you just enough information to get started, but nothing too crazy. And I will see you in class on Monday.